What's going on, guys? Thanks for checking out the video. Today I'm going to be doing something very important, and that is ceramic coating the WRX. So brand new vehicle, should be a pretty simple process. There's not a whole lot of junk on the car. Don't have to clay bar it, don't have to buff it. There's no swirl marks, no scratches. So all I got to do is give it a nice thorough clean. Be careful about how I clean it, and then we can go ahead and ceramic coat it. And as a little bonus, I'm going to be installing the black WRX badges. Now, when I got these on the last WRX, they faded really quick. I put them on the car, they were on the car for like a month, and they like started flattening out, and the reds started turning pink. Even though they look nice and shiny and glossy now, they won't look like that in a couple months. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually sand these down and just put an extra coat of clear coat on it, some actual good high grade clear coat over top of these so they won't fade or have any issues down the road from now. And after I do that, I'm going to wash the car, then we're going to ceramic coat the whole thing after we dry it, and then probably at some point later tonight we'll install these. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'm about to wash this whole car down, scrub the bugs off the front, get everything ready to go, and I'm going to put my headphones on, get to town, and then we'll get to ceramic coating. Apply the ceramic coating. We're gonna apply the surface prep and everything, and we'll get to it. So what I'm using is a 3-part system from Adams Polishes. You start off with your surface prep. What I like to do is take a white microfiber. So since I cleaned the entire car, dried everything off, it should be spotless. So what I'm going to do is take a white microfiber and use the surface clean, wipe the whole car down. If I have any spots left on that white microfiber, I know the car is not fully clean, I'll go over it once again with another white microfiber, and once the car, the white microfibers aren't getting any dirt on them, then I know we're good to go with the coating. So I'll save one white microfiber and one black one. I will use the black one to apply the coating, and I'll use the other white one to wipe it off. So what you're going to have after your surface prep is you're going to have the actual spray coating. So this is the Adams Premium Ceramic Line spray coating. I used this on the Altima, and I actually coated the car twice. Once waited 24 hours, then coated it again, and I still have probably half this bottle left. So it goes a long way. The whole kit's about $100, something like that. And then you have your ceramic boost, which you can apply after 24 hours. And then you could literally put it on every single day if you want, or you can put it on once a month, which is what's recommended, I believe, once a month. But this is a 6 to 8 month ceramic coating spray. So without talking too much more, I'm going to go ahead and get into this. We're going to just use the surface prep. Even though the car is super clean, this is just going to pick off anything else that's left. And we'll wipe the whole car down with that. Once we get it nice and clean, we'll go ahead and we'll wipe it down with the spray coating. Now, when you go to apply the ceramic coat, what you'll do is you want to go up and down, sort of like you're painting a fence. And you want to do one panel, and then you kind of want to walk away, do another panel, and then come back and check on the first panel you did. It should start having like a rainbow effect to it. Once you start seeing like the coating will sort of get like that rainbow sort of look. And once you see that, you know it's good to go. When you go to wipe it off with your rag, it's going to be a little bit sticky, but you just kind of power through it and just wipe it off. Same motion, up, down. You don't want to go in circular motions at all. You'll scratch the paint. And then once you do that, you'll wipe off that panel, and then you'll go ahead and spray basically your third panel, and then you'll come back, dry your second panel, spray your fourth panel, dry your third panel, and just work like that until the whole car is done. Then after you're done and the whole car's coated, it doesn't hurt to go over it again just in case you missed a spot, but I would wait the full 24-hour cure time and then do it again if you really want to. But the car cannot see any water for 24 hours, no rain, no nothing, no quick detail. Don't put anything on the car for 24 hours. If you have to drive it, you can, just don't let it get wet. Alright guys, so I got the whole car ceramic coated. It's been about 10-12 hours, so I'm not going to do any water tests or anything like that just yet, but I am going to ceramic coat the wheels, and we're going to put our new badges on. So I already went ahead and put the prep solvent on these wheels, got them super clean. I took the white microfiber across it, and it's fine. I did notice I got a little bit of curb rash there. Don't really know where that came from or when that happened, but there it is. So that's nice. But I'm going to go ahead and do the other wheels and go ahead and just ceramic coat them all. I'm going to try and get the brakes. Probably be best to take the wheels off to get the brakes, but I'll get as much as I can. I might start the car up, move it a little bit so I can get to the spots I missed. But I'll just kind of like mist it in back there. Be careful not to get it on the disc. And then we'll put our new badges on. Okay, so I got all the wheels done now. Got the fender badges on. You can see them. They look pretty good. But all the wheels are ceramic coated. Both badges are on both sides. So the only thing I'm doing right now is I'm actually ceramic coating the windshield, because even though it's getting colder out, there's still bugs everywhere. And I'm just constantly, I'll drive around, a little bug hits it, you hit the wipers immediately, and it just smears it, and then it's stuck there. So hopefully the ceramic coat will help keep bugs off the windshield and keep it clean. So I put about 3 coats of ceramic coat on the outside of the windshield. You can see it looks really dirty. It's actually mostly on the inside. So if I go ahead and I'll wipe off this last coat of ceramic coat, man, that feels really sticky. So it's at the perfect amount of time, sort of like a wax, sort of like a paste wax or something. It gets like kind of hard to wipe off once it starts hardening up, but you can see just how dirty it still looks. That's all on the inside. The outside is like perfectly clean. I actually spent probably a half an hour just scrubbing this windshield down with Chemical Guy's Invisible Cleaner and a bug sponge. So this stuff here and the old bug sponge. Guys, don't mind the crickets in the background over there. But the car's been ceramic coated now for about 48. Actually, it's been like 72 hours. I did drive the car. After about 24 hours, I drove the car for, I don't know, an hour or two, brought it home. And the car is actually jacked up right now to be working on some other stuff. And yes, those are my bare feet and my pajamas. Listen to those crickets. Anyways, I just want to show you what this looks like. So I got some water here, and I just want to show you the repelling nature of this coating. Okay, so there you go. The car basically cleans itself. I mean, it just rolls off. It beads up so nice. Anywhere, I ceramic coated everything, even these fog light bezels. So check this out. Look at that. It literally just comes right off of it. How cool is that? All right, so now check out the window. I also did the windshield. It's that easy. I also coated this look how it like sort of like trickles down and goes into the drain. It literally just, it doesn't sit anywhere. It is so nice. So the had a little bit of residue or something there. But I mean, the car has been great. I mean, look at it just coming right off of there. So the car's been great. The ceramic coat works perfectly. I mean, look at that. All the water I dumped on there, I'm going to take a rag and I can literally wipe that off in like 5 seconds. So that's the result you're going to expect to see. I do have a streak right here. I had like oil on my hands and touched it and I wiped it, but it smeared, so I got to clean that off. But besides that, the car is actually even dirty right now because I drove it through a big dust bowl earlier, and it just doesn't look dirty at all. I mean, when you get real close, you can see a couple specks. But this is what you can expect with that Adams polish ceramic coating. It's not sponsored whatsoever. It's just a recommended product. It's something that I've liked to use in the past, and I had good luck with, so I tried it again on this car. And again, I'm super happy with it. I mean, just look at that. You know, that's awesome. So anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, go ahead, ceramic coat your car. You know, it's worth it. Whatever products you use, you know, just look up reviews, make sure it's a good product before you go ahead and spend your hard-earned money on it. But there's a lot of them out there. So if you got a recommendation on something, let me know, because this is a 6 to 8 month ceramic coat. So if you got something that works great and it lasts for a year or something like that, let me know. I wouldn't mind trying it out. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.